All right, let's get your breaking update where the Supreme Court, we are told, will be hearing the Article 370 abrogation post the Dussehra break. This is a plea that has been pending before the 5-judge Constitution bench. The plea challenges the abrogation of Article 370 and Article 35A. Harish is joining us right now. Harish, the hearings on Article 370 cases commenced before the 5-judge hearing in December 2019, almost 4 months after the notification that was issued by the centre in August 2019. It will now be post the Dussehra break when the Supreme Court will be taking up the matter again.
Yes, that's right, Amita. The biggest takeaway being that this petitions challenging, in fact, there are 24 petitions which have challenged the abrogation of Article 370 and in August 2019, and a 5-judge Constitution bench was constituted to hear these sensitive and contentious matters, and the petitioners include the Jammu Kashmir People Conference, National Conference, and also some Congress leaders and retired bureaucrats, and including social activist Sheila Rashid. So, in fact, the biggest takeaway is that these petitions have been brought out of the cold storage by the Supreme Court bench led by Chief Justice Lalit, who, on a mentioning by the petitioners, said that these petitions will be taken up for hearing after the Dussehra break. So, it was last heard in February 2020, a good 2.5 years back, because after that only urgent matters were being taken up during the COVID period. Remember, the centre had justified the Article 370 abrogation in the Supreme Court, saying that this particular article was not allowing the full integration of Jammu Kashmir with India. But at the same time, these petitioners had argued in their petition that amendment of a constitutional provision, Article 367, which resulted in the scrapping, could have been done only by the Parliament and not through a presidential order. And they argued that concurrence of State Assembly, which reflects the will of the people, was required before such sweeping changes altering the history and geography of the state are made. So these are the arguments and counter arguments which are going to play out once the Supreme Court takes up this batch of 24 petitions after the Dussehra break.
Challenging the abrogation and the special status of Jammu and Kashmir after the Dussehra vacations. Let's listen into a reaction as well.
दशहरा की छुट्टियों के बाद सुप्रीम कोर्ट 370 के केस की सुनवाई कर सकता है, ऐसा आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी मान लिया है कि छुट्टियों के बाद इस केस को वो सुनेंगे। मेरे साथ पीपल्स अलायंस फॉर गुपका डिक्लेरेशन के स्पोक्स पर्सन और सीपीएम के सीनियर लीडर एमवाई तारिगामी है। तारिगामी साहब, सुप्रीम कोर्ट की आज की ऑब्जर्वेशन को कैसे देखते हैं आप? कहा है कि दशहरा की छुट्टियों के बाद वो 370 के केस को सुनेंगे।
देखिए, जहां तक जैसा कि अभी आपने कहा क्या आज मौका मिला फिर से इस अर्जदाश्त को पेश करने का हमारे वकला को, और चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया ने सुना और इस अपील पर ध्यान दे दी। क्या ये एक लॉन्ग पेंडिंग केस है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से मुतल्लिक एक बड़ा ही केस है, तो इस वजह से इस पर शुमारी होगी। मैंने सुना है कि ये यकीन दहानी हमें मिली है, हमारे वकला को मिली है, और इस लिहाज से जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं 2019 5 अगस्त 6 अगस्त जो भी हुआ, हमारी नज़र में जिन्होंने भी सुप्रीम कोर्ट का दरवाज़ा खटखटाया और अपनी अर्जदाश्तें वहाँ पेश की, हमने यही मामला सुप्रीम कोर्ट के दायरे इख्तियार में लाने की कोशिश की और उनसे रुजू किया कि ये गैर।
The People's Alliance for Gupka, they have been welcoming this decision that has been made as far as after the Dussehra break, the Supreme Court will be taking up multiple pleas on the abrogation of Article 370 for the moment. Harish, thank you very much for joining in.